Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is your boy Jeriel of JK Vlogs. Ngayong araw, magre-review tayo ng isang camera. Not really a true action camera, but a 360 action camera. So this product na i-review natin today was released way back 2018 pa. So I'm reviewing this one to give you perspective if it's still worth it to buy this product or hindi na ba. Kasi alam ko merong mga nagpaplanong bumili ng 360 action camera. So ito yung perfect video for you para malaman nyo kung dapat nyo bang bilhin tong camera na to. So I am referring to this one, the Insta360 One X. So by the name itself, this is a 360 action camera. As you can see right here, dalawa yung lens niya. Itong dalawang lens na to, it provides a 360 perspective. So for comparison, ito yung GoPro Hero 7 Black. Ito naman yung Insta360 One X. So basically, yung form factor niya magkaiba. So this one, meron siyang screen para makita mo yung framing mo. Ito naman, meron siyang maliit na screen pero for settings lang to. So itong camera to, medyo limited siya as far as the buttons is concerned. So kailangan mo ng cellphone as remote para yung settings mas madali mong mabago. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi mo siya magagamit kung walang cellphone. But you need a cellphone para at least medyo di ka mahirapan. So wala naman sigurong camera na perfect. So the same goes with the Insta360 One X. So para masagot natin yung tanong na kung worth it pa ba yung camera na to this year, 2020, ilalatag natin yung positibo sa negatibong aspeto ng camera na to. So let's start with the positive things. So ang number one advantage ng isang Insta360 One X is yung unique perspective niya na makukuha mo out of this camera. As the name suggests, it is a 360 camera. So lahat ng nakapalibot ng camera na to, makukuha niya. So sa pag-e-edit, pwede mo siyang i-reframe. So unlike this typical action camera, kailangan mo siyang i-frame before capturing. Diba? Gusto mong malaman yung framing bago mo i-capture. While this one, i-mount mo lang siya kung saan mo gustong i-mount. Pwede mo siyang i-reframe afterwards sa editing. So in other words, lahat ng angles na maisipan mo in post-processing or in editing, pwede mo siyang ma-achieve. So yun yung pinakaunang bagay na talagang nagustuhan ko sa camera na to. Yung perspective, yung angles na napaka-immersive. Unlike a typical action camera na although wide siya, but not as wide as the Insta360 One X. Pangalawang bagay na gusto ko sa camera na to is yung tinatawag nilang flow state stabilization or in other words, image stabilization lang. So kung meron ako masasabi sa flow state stabilization ng Insta360, mind-blowing. Para kang nakagimbal tapos kahit naglalakad ka, kahit tumatakbo ka, yung stability niya, impressive. So, sa camera na to, hindi ka mangangailangan ng any physical stabilizer para lang mag-stabilize ng video. Kasi with flow state stabilization, talagang smooth yung kuha mo. Although flow state stabilization is not perfect, but considering na nakahawak ka lang sa camera, stable na stable talaga siya. So ang pangatlong bagay na nagustuhan ko sa camera to is yung manual controls, yung log profile niya sa kulay ng video, tapos yung capability niya na kumuha ng raw photos. So sa manual controls ng video, usually nakikita mo yan sa mga DSLR. But this action camera or this 360 action camera, nag-o-offer siya ng control sa white balance, sa shutter speed, sa color profile, ISO. So ito yung mga controls na magbibigay sa'yo ng better video quality. So and aside from that, na-mention ko earlier, pwede siya mag-shoot ng raw photos. So isa rin yung advantage as far as photos is concerned. So yun yung pangatlong bagay na nagustuhan ko sa camera na to. Ang apat na bagay na nagustuhan ko sa camera na to is yung decent image quality niya. Although yung max resolution ng camera na to is 5.7K, hindi po ibig sabihin na yung 5.7K, yun yung full resolution na magagamit mo when you choose your angles. Usually, nagre-reframe ka lang. May mga parts ka lang na gustong kunin. So, in reality, hindi magiging 5.7K yung final output. With that being said, decent enough yung quality na comparing to other 360 action cameras, of course. Hindi ko naman dapat siya ikumpara sa GoPro. Kasi yung GoPro, dedicated lang talaga as an action camera. Hindi siya 360 action camera. At pag sinabing 4K yung resolution niya, talagang 4K yung makukuha niya with that angle. But this one, 5.7K nga yung max resolution niya, but you have to reframe afterwards. So, kailangan ka pang mag-crop. So sa na bagay na nagustuhan ko sa camera na to is yung madali lang siyang i-edit as far as 360 videos is concerned. Kasi dati-rate, mahirap yung mag-edit ng 360 videos. But with this one, even if you're using your phone, pwede mo siyang i-edit. And not just your phone, pwede mo siyang i-edit using your PC. By the way, yung 360 action camera kasi, hindi siya usually drag and drop. So you still have to use Insta360 Studio or yung app niya sa cellphone. So yun yung sinasabi kong hindi siya drag and drop kasi kailangan mo pang gumamit ng ibang software para siya ma-reframe. But with that being said, it is relatively easy compared to other 360 action cameras, especially yung na-produce way back. So yun yung isang advantage na talagang nagustuhan ko sa action camera na to. So pang-anim na bagay na nagustuhan ko sa camera na to is yung mounting niya. So this camera can be mounted using your GoPro mounts because meron siyang adapter. Ito yung adapter niya. Yon. With this one, pwede mo siyang i-mount to any GoPro mounts. So aside from that, kung meron ka namang tripod, pwede mo siyang i-mount dito. So as far as mounting is concerned, wala kang problema doon. So last advantage ng Insta360 One X is yung pricing niya. Compared to the Insta360 One R or the GoPro Max, mas cheaper tong camera na to. Kasi 2018 pa nga siya na-release. Pero kahit na cheaper siya, it doesn't mean na night and day yung difference ng quality ng camera na to kaysa sa mga bago. So hindi naman talaga ganun kalaki yung difference nila as far as features and image quality is concerned. So if ako yung papipiliin tapos limited yung budget ko, I will take the Insta360 One X any time of the day. So yun yung mga bagay-bagay na nagustuhan ko sa camera na to. Now, gaya ng sabi ko earlier, walang perfect na camera. So ito naman yung negatibong napansin ko sa camera na to. Number 1, hindi siya ganun ka-ruggedly built compared to a legit action camera talaga. So medyo delikado siya, especially kung action sports yung kinukunan mo. Although meron naman siyang nabibiling case for extra protection, but personally speaking, kung build quality lang talaga, medyo behind siya compared to a legit action camera. Pangalawang bagay na napansin ko sa camera to is medyo mahirap siya for first timers. So kailangan mo talagang pag-aralan. So this one, you still have to tweak some settings, and yung editing naman, kailangan mo ring mag-google ng oras doon. Medyo hindi siya ganun kadali for first time users. And lastly, the audio quality of this camera is not that good. Although sa mga latest na firmware updates, medyo gumanda naman yung audio quality niya. But generally speaking talaga, kung gusto mong gamitin to for vlogging, you might want to invest on an external mic. And going back to the question kung worth it pa ba yung Insta360 One X ngayong 2020, the answer is yes. Personally speaking, Insta360 One X as far as features, image quality is concerned, hindi siya ganun ka-behind sa Insta360 One R or the GoPro Max. And aside from that, this is much cheaper compared to those two. So worth it pa rin talaga siya ngayong 2020. So kung ikaw ay content creator or maybe you're a motovlogger na gusto mong i-level up yung production quality by having a drone-like perspective or yung super immersive wide-angle perspective or parang third-person na perspective, well, you might want to buy the Insta360 One X. So I guess that would be all for this review. So kung meron ka mang nakuha sa video na to, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell para ma-updated kayo sa mga bagong uploads ko. Again, this is your boy Jeriel. This is my channel, JK Vlogs. Bye-bye.